Hello and welcome to this video tutorial for getting started on Twitter. For those of you still wondering what all the fuss is about, Twitter is a social media platform where users share their thoughts, news, information, and just about anything else by posting a message of 140 characters of text or less in what they call a tweet. These tweets can also include images, links, and video. Just remember that unlike Facebook, Twitter profiles and tweets are usually public, so your profile information and the messages you send can be seen by anybody else. In this video, you'll learn the basics of using Twitter, including how to sign up for an account, how to select another user to follow on Twitter, how to navigate the homepage and your news feed, and finally, how to send your first tweet. Let's begin by going to www.twitter.com and signing up for an account. To begin, just enter your name, email address, and your password into these text boxes provided. Click Sign Up for Twitter when you're ready to go, and you'll go to a separate page where you get to choose your handle. Your handle is your username that you'll use to sign in, but it's also how other people will connect with you in their tweets. Try to keep your handle easy to remember and easy to spell, so people won't have too much trouble if they need to use your Twitter handle. Since this is going to be a Twitter account for Algonquin's Learning and Teaching Services Department, let's call it Algonquin LTS. When you're ready to go, click Create My Account. Twitter can help new users get started by offering suggestions for who to follow, and you can allow them to access your internet browser history to make even better, more specific suggestions based on the sites you've already visited. You can choose to follow Twitter's suggestions and select users to follow here, or click Skip at any time to jump right to your homepage. But while we're here, let's select a few. Our first 5 will be the Ottawa Senators, for those of you that like hockey. We'll follow Stephen Harper and get announcements from the Prime Minister's office. Following CBC news feeds are a really great way to stay on top of late-breaking news. Let's follow Algonquin College. We can search for it here. And it's telling me we need one more. Let's just follow Rick Mercer, since he was nice enough to visit last year. When you follow a user, their tweets will appear in what's called your feed on your homepage. We'll get to that in just a second, but there's still one more thing we need to do once we've selected people to follow. We have to fill in our profile with a brief biography, and if you want, you can include a photo in your profile as well. It's not necessary, but it adds a personal touch. I know a lot of you might still not quite have a clear understanding of what's going on here. It does seem like a little bit of an information overload. However, Twitter really depends on you experiencing the website in full for a little while before you really get the hang of it. So don't fear, we're all in this together. As soon as you fill out the bio, the only thing left to do is go to your email inbox and click the link in the confirmation email that'll activate all the features of your account. So let's move on and take a look at the Twitter homepage that you'll see from now on when you sign in with your handle and your password. Every time you view your homepage, your feed is updated with tweets from the users that you follow, organized starting with the most recent at the top. From the homepage, you can also quickly see your profile statistics here, see suggested users to follow based on your settings and subscriptions, and see what's trending on Twitter based on the number of users talking about a subject in their tweets. From the main page, there's 2 ways to write a tweet. You can either click the icon in the top right-hand corner or use the text box under your profile information. Let's send one off right now. We'll get started by clicking Compose New Tweet up in the corner and just get typing. You can always add an image to your tweet by clicking the camera icon there, or tag the tweet with your location by clicking the Location Services button. When you're all done your message, just click Tweet. Remember, you only have 140 characters. It won't let you send a tweet if you're over that character limit, and that includes spaces. Once you've posted your tweet, it'll appear at the very top of your news feed on your homepage. As you can see, it's already been updated in our profile corner. It went from 0 tweets to 1 tweet. And if you go to your profile section, your tweet will appear first on that page as well. Thanks for watching this introduction to Twitter. I hope it's helped. Watch the next video in the series to learn more about adding mentions and hashtags to tweets, as well as how to get the most out of Twitter for educational purposes. Thanks for watching.